When I don't know what to eat and I have zero energy to cook, there's always one food I always fall back on. Don't laugh. It's eggs. They're quick, they're filling, they're loaded with so many nutrients. They sustain me, and they can turn just about anything into a meal. I always keep them on hand. And in this video, I'll show you 6 ways that I use them when I need something fast, flavorful, and anti-inflammatory without all that stress.
Okay, first up with my eggs is I boil them every single week, anywhere from 5 to 8 eggs a week. I eat them every morning before I work out or walk. It is the perfect satiating food to get my workout going. It has protein and a lot of nutrients, gives me energy. I also slice them up, put them on salads, slice them up, put them in soups. The second thing that I do with boiled eggs is I will chop them up and then I will put them in a bowl with a mashed avocado. Mix it up with a little seasoning, a little oil, and I spread that on toast. And you have a beautiful avocado toast, but it's a complete meal because you're getting the protein from the eggs. So there's lots of ways that you can utilize a pre-boiled egg all week long. I'll also take that avocado mash and keep it in the fridge and eat it for crackers as a snack in the middle of the day. Or if you don't want to do crackers, you can do sliced cucumber. And of course, I scramble eggs probably 4 days a week. But I mix it up. I don't just eat scrambled eggs by themselves every day. I would get very bored with that. Sometimes I will brown some ground turkey breakfast sausage. Sometimes I will use my roasted vegetables that I meal prepped that week and toss them into the scrambled eggs. What else will I do? I'll add greens to my scrambled eggs, even if it's just some spinach, just to give it extra flavor, extra nutrients, and that added fiber. But scrambled eggs are a staple in our house, and they don't just have to be for breakfast. You can eat them with dinner too. And the last one is I'll do a fried egg. If I'm eating it by itself, it's usually for breakfast, but you can do like over medium fried egg in a soup. It's delicious. You can put it on a turkey patty if you make some turkey patties ahead of time. That is absolutely delicious as well. Eggs are a huge thing in our home. And I also want to tell you that it's important the kind of eggs that you're buying. You want to try to get pasture-raised eggs. And the next thing that you want to look for on the carton is a little stamp on the carton that says certified humane. What that means is a third-party company came in and did basically an inspection on the environment of these chickens. And if they meet all of the criteria, they get a certified humane stamp on the carton. This is huge. This means that your eggs are good quality, they are full of nutrients. And by the way, the color of your yolk does not matter. So if you're buying expensive eggs because they have an orange yolk, that does not mean that they're nutrient dense. They add things into that egg to make that yolk that color. Yolk color does not matter. I also do egg muffins in the morning. I will use like an English muffin, and I'll do scrambled on there sometimes. Sometimes I'll do fried on there. I just try to switch up my ideas in the morning so I don't get bored, but eggs are a huge staple in our house in the mornings. So I want to help you come up with creative ways that you too can add eggs into your diet. And my last favorite way are simply eating egg tacos. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you cannot go wrong. You can scramble them, put them in the wonderful gluten-free or corn tortillas if you can, and then you can add in cilantro, you can add in some sausage, top it off with some roasted veggies, a little salsa, avocado. Delicious. Egg tacos are probably our favorite in the house. We're from Texas, so we eat a lot of tacos anyway, so why not eat them for breakfast? I hope this encourages you to, number 1, be aware of what kind of eggs you're buying. Number 2, put them in your diet. They have so many nutrients. All vitamin B, vitamin D. There's so many nutrients, so many minerals in an egg. But the biggest thing is there's 6 grams of protein per egg. All right, eggs, they give me freedom in the kitchen. I don't need a rigid plan. I just need a base to build from. And eggs is one of those bases in my kitchen. They're affordable, practical, and easy to prep ahead of time. And I don't want to hear the complaints about eggs being expensive. I have found excellent pasture-raised eggs with the certified humane stamp in Southern Florida for $6.99. If this real live kitchen tips really inspire you to want to learn more, come join us in my online healthy community called the Healthy Hub. The link below is in the description so you can join us. There are over 3,200 people in this community online, lifting each other up, asking the questions, making the healthy changes in their kitchen, and I want you to join us. I gotta go, but I have one question before I do. What is on your fork? Bye for now.
You know, eggs give me freedom in the kitchen. I don't need a huge plan. I just need something to build from. And for me, that's usually eggs. They're satisfying and they're super easy to prep ahead. If these real life kitchen tips help you and show you some motivation and make you feel a little more confident, join me inside the Healthy Hub, my online community. We keep things simple, doable, we have a little fun, and everything is non-diet. Just real food that works for real life, because this is how we eat now.